I wanted to do a quick update on our insulated shades. Welcome back to our channel, Camp Liberty RV, where we do full-time living in a sheep camp, 196 square feet, and we love it. We've been doing it for 4 years. Now we use these because in the summer they keep the heat out with the Reflectex, and in the winter they keep the heat in. So the camp is much cooler in the summer and much warmer in the winter. We have one custom made for each window. This is the kitchen shade, and it pops in the frame quite nicely, but in the morning, this will bow out a little bit. So I've been playing around with the right approach for this shade to keep that from bowing out. Beth doesn't like the light leaking in, so I was experimenting the last few days, and Beth thought it worked out really well. I had a piece of aluminum angle put on the bottom. It worked really nice. So we did that for a couple of days. I took them off. I took them to our shop and painted them. And I'm going to install them today, and you'll see how it's going to hold this shade in a little tighter. We won't get a light leak. We won't get cold drafts, and it will be perfect. So these are quite simple. It's a piece of aluminum angle that I cut 4 inches long. It could be any length. You can do this, modify this idea as you want. I rounded the edges just to make it nice. It's got several coats of black enamel paint, and then I cut a piece of acrylic to line the back. And that just gives a little extra push in on the shade and a little wear surface on the aluminum. And then the back just has 3M automotive mounting tape, and I'm going to put one right here, and I'm going to put the other right here. It's pretty simple. You just peel off the red backer, and I've already wiped down the railing with alcohol, and then this back edge just pushes right up against the back and push it down, and it will be in there real nice. I previously tried even adhering a piece of acrylic that would overlap and come in, but this was not a big enough mounting space and it didn't work. And now let's see how well this works. So we just slide this in, lift it up, and it just slides behind the acrylic and then just pops in, and now it's nice and tight, and Beth is not going to get a light leak.